Hi friends, this is Leela. Welcome to my channel Leela Web Dev. So we have successfully completed the delete and all those things and adding a node. These all the things are completed. Now let's focus on this edit functionality. So now if you want to focus on this edit functionality, what we need to do, we need to create a new page for this one. So let's go here. So for this one, what we can do, we need to create a new route before going into this one. Okay, let's go to the route in the router in the index.js. So here I am creating a new route. So path, you'll be having slash edit node. I'll be having like this edit node, and we need to pass the ID. So the dynamic ID we need to pass it. And here the component we need to load is the what I can say nodes or otherwise edit nodes view. Edit nodes view. So we need to create this one, and the name we can write it as edit node. Okay, edit node view. So like this singular, right? Edit node. And now let's go to the views, and here in this file I am creating edit node view dot view. Yeah, so this is the edit node. So let's have a template. Okay, let's have a template. Let's have a template. Why this template is not creating? It is not creating. Let's see whether it is running or not. Yeah, it's running. Everything is working fine. So here let's close this one. Yeah, I am creating a template. So template, in this template, edit node. I'll write simply edit node. Now if you go here and if I refresh this page, it's not coming. Should come it, right? Yeah, why it's not coming? So let's go to here in index.js. Is there anything that, oh, here this is the wrong, this is the reason we are not getting. Yeah, it should come. So now if I try to refresh this page again, the problem came. What could be the issue? Let's go to the console. I understood. So this one we haven't imported it, right? So import edit node view from, it should be on views slash edit node view dot view. Fine, right? Now let's see whether we can able to get the output or not. This time we should get the output, and still we are not able to. Edit node is not defined. Oh, this should be in the singular. Sorry, in the double quote, in the single quote or double quotes, anything. Now if you see here, now the output should come. Yeah, output is coming. So now what I need to do when I click on this edit button, so this edit button has to work. So what could be the URL of this one? Edit-node slash this unique ID for this one. So let's go into the here, and here what I will try to do is, so let's go to the nodes view. Nodes view. No, not nodes view. Single node dot view. And here you will be having the edit button, right? So just change it to router link. This should be a router link. And here also it should be a router link. Okay. Now we need to remove this href, and it should be 2. So the name will be the edit node. Okay. And we need to pass the params. So params, and the params, the key for that one is which, whatever the key you are mentioning here, ID, that should be the key. So here I can go ID colon note dot ID. Okay. So that's it. So now we are able to frame the URL. Let's see whether it is working or not. If I go to the Chrome and if I refresh this page, hopefully everything is working fine. And what happened? Nothing is coming again. What could be the issue here? Inspect element. Why all the time we are writing some mistakes? Name is equal to node, params is equal to node dot id. That's only, right? Node dot id. Yeah, everything is correct. Okay, we are having 2 double quotes. Yeah, it's correct only. Nothing is there. What could be the issue here? I think everything is working fine. I'm thinking. Let's go to the console. No match for edit node. Name is equal to edit node. Params ID is equal to ID1. Name is equal. Oh, it should not be edit node. Sorry. It should be edit node like this. Yeah. Now if you see the output, yes, we are able to see the output. Now if I try to refresh this page, remove these all the things. Refresh this page. working fine. Now if I click on this edit node, see we are able to get edit node hyphen id1. If I go back and if I click on this one, edit hyphen node slash id2. So we are able to get this one. Now what I want to do is, so we are able to get this edit node. Now we need to catch the params. So whatever the params ID is there, right? We need to catch that direct params. In this one, what I can do here, we can do like this $route.params.id. In the template, we can catch it like this. Now you will be able to see ID2, whatever the thing you are having. And if I click on this one, you will be able to get the ID1. Now in the code, if you want to get it, means what you need to do is script setup. Okay. And here we need to write constant route is equal to use route. So this should be imported from the urouter. And here if you console the route, so here console.log of route. If you console the route here, this one, let's see what will be the output here. You refresh this page and here you'll be able to see the proxy, everything. And now route dot params. If you try to see the route dot params. Now if you see the output, see here we are able to get the ID and ID1. So like this, through the template, you can directly access the global variable like this $route. You can able to get the params. And if you want to access in the JavaScript code, means you need to get the route.params. Fine. So now we have successfully got the ID from this one. So what we need to do now, if you go back, so this edit node, so this is the text area and all those things we are having it, right? So the same text area, we will show it in the edit node also. And we will ask him to update this one. So we will pre-populate the node content and we'll ask him to update the node thing. So instead of using, instead of creating again this text area and all those things, it is better for us to reuse this add new node, right? So for this one, what we can do is we can create a new component for this one, add edit node. Okay, add edit node dot view. So in this add edit node dot view, I will be having a template. Okay, so let's go to the nodes view. In this nodes view, this is the code, text area code which you are trying to see. So we can copy this entire thing. So we need to copy this entire thing. Here is this one. Let's copy this entire thing. Here is this one. Yeah. Let's, is this one not working? Control X. Control X. Yeah. Let's copy this entire thing. Let's go to the edit, add it new and paste it here. Okay. Yeah. Control X. And let's go here. Control V. Yeah. So now we have pasted it here. Add edit node. And here instead of using this one, we will use the component here. Add edit node. Okay. Now add edit node is completed. Now let's try to import this add edit node. Import add edit node from this one is going down. Yeah, here you should happen. Import add edit node. Oh. Add edit node view. Yeah, add edit node from the add edit node dot view. Now add edit node we have added it. Now if you try to see the output, so here we are able to see the output. Now this time we are able to see the output, but here the adding a node and all those things are not working. Why? Because this button new node is there in the new component, and this new node v model and this add node, these all are present actually in the parent component, right? So new node, add node, these all things are present in the parent component. Now in the next video, what we'll try to do is we'll try to move these all the things and make that add edit net to work both in the add functionality and also in the edit functionality. Let's make this component reusable. Hope you understood about this one. What I will try to do is I will commit this code. Okay. So in a new branch, video -83. Let's commit this one. So edit node, we are working on this edit node, right? Edit node functionality. Okay. Whoever may be having doubts and all those things, so they can refer to this code. If they are following this project, same if they are practicing, means if you have a doubts on this code and all those things, so you can get to this code. So this is present in the github.com/ somewhere in the node list.view. So this is the GitHub repository URL. So the link is provided in the description below of every video. So if you are having any doubts or anything, so you can refer to this GitHub repository URL. Hope you understood about this edit functionality thing. If you have any doubts or any suggestions, please post the comments below to this video. And if you like this video, please do support me by subscribing to my channel. Thank you.